Coming up in this video, I've got a feisty little mango martini kind of cocktail going on using Absolut Mango Vodka. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman and I hope these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite spirits even more. Right, today's video, I've kind of swapped brands a little bit. I've done a few JJ Whitney vodka videos. Now I'm going to try some Absolut vodkas, and this is Absolut Mango. I haven't had Absolut for absolutely ages. But this, I've had a little sniff through this. The smell is amazing. Love that. Right, this cocktail, let's dive straight into it. It's going to be kind of an elegant little cocktail. I'm going to serve it up in a Nick and Nora glass, little sort of martini glass. I just need to ice that down to chill it, so it's nice and cold. So I'm just going to fill that up with ice. Perfect. Right. Now we're going to make this in a cocktail shaker as well. So make it in there. The first ingredient is obviously the vodka. I'm going 50 ml double bubble of my vodka, Absolut Mango. Haven't actually tried this cocktail yet. I must admit, I've kind of sort of had a little play about. I kind of got the idea from on Instagram. But there's a couple of little sort of subtle changes that I've made to it for me and the sort of ingredients I like to use and champion to help you at home make it slightly easier. So the first ingredient is Absolut Mango. The second ingredient I want is some freshly squeezed lemon juice. You can tell it's freshly squeezed. There's a couple of little bits of pips in there and everything. Freshly squeezed. Just if you're going to make it there and then, it's always better. But there's some brilliant brands out there now. If you're going to make cocktails for like 2, 3, 4 hours time, then there's some great sort of ingredients out there that you can buy. But if you're going to use it fresh there and then, it's only been literally about sort of 10 minutes ago. This is perfect. 25 ml freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now, next ingredient I want is, this is where I kind of flipped it up a little bit, because the original recipe was kind of chili, muddled down. And I thought, just for me, the products I like to champion, I'm going to use some chili syrup again. Get this online, links in the show notes. I just think this is amazing. Consistent as well, and you don't need to keep chilies in the fridge if you don't use them. And this will keep for ages and ages and ages. I'm just going 15 ml of chili syrup. Actually 10 ml. I'm going 10 ml. It's quite feisty, so 10 ml. And I've got a little lemon pip in there, so we're going to have to double strain this. Oh, that is quite feisty. Now, the last ingredient I want is some mango puree. My purees are now hiding behind down here in this film set. Again, we're going to go back to the brand I always use, ODK, long life, shelf stable, links in the show notes. And I just want 15 ml of this. There we go. Right. Now, I'm going to ice this up and shake it down. I might need to add just a little touch more sugar, but I'll have a little sip before I serve it up. So I just need to whack some ice in here. As always, I need your help naming this cocktail. It's kind of like a spicy mangotini, but you know, that's a great name. But if you could come up with something better, keeping in tradition with this channel, stick your suggestions in the comments below. And as always, as I keep saying, that will then go into my updated cocktail book that I release every single month. The free version is in the comments on every single video or in the description. But the updated version, I think we're up to 50 plus now, and this is end of July. I've just published my recent one in my Patreon tier. So go and check my Patreon out. That's where you get the updated book. Right. Big and also big shout out to you guys, you Patreons, absolutely love you. Thank you for your support. Right, hard and fast shake, good 10-12 seconds. There we go. Right. Oh, that smells all right. Right, let's just have a little sip. I'm just going to add a little bit, 5 ml just a little touch, 5 ml of sugar. Just normal sugar syrup. And I think that'll work. Right. Very quickly again. I'm just going to quickly shake that down. There we go. And that should be absolutely perfect for me. Oh, got that little bit chilly. Right. Get rid of your ice out of your martini glass, your Nick and Nora glass. Again, nice delicate glass, so we want a double strain. That'll just capture any tiny little shards of ice. Perfect. Look at that. Amazing. Then the garnish for this, I've got one here, just for the colour contrast. You could use red, but I'm just going for a green chili, and I'm just going for a couple of little chilies on top. Perfect. And that is my feisty mangotini, spicy mangotini, what are you guys going to call it? Stick your name suggestions in the comments below. Up on screen now will be more vodka cocktails for you to dive into. Oh, that is so good. Cheers.